Okay, 6.4. Modeling data with a curve of best fit. So we just did a line of best fit, so now let's see what happens with a curve. So we're going to enter this data in to our scatter to get a scatter plot. So stat, edit, and again, if you have stuff, go up, clear, down, up, clear, down. Okay, so into Y1, I'm going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 12, 14, 17, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. You can see all those numbers in there. And then L2, I'm going to type in all this data. Sorry, I could have had this done. This might take a little bit. You can see what I'm doing there. Okay, almost done. Okay, so I have it all in there. Okay, so now I'm going to create a scatter plot. So I'm going to go into this yellow button, scatter plot. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to hit enter to that on button. See, I want to turn it on, and it's on the type that I want, and it's got my L1, L2. Okay, so I'm going to push zoom 9, zoom stat. Okay, so that is what it gives me. So that doesn't look like a line, doesn't look like a quadratic. I'm going to say it looks like a cubic function. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate, so stat, go over to calculate, and I told myself it looks like a cubic, so I'm going to go cubic regression. And thinking, this is my equation. So again, like I said before, the last one was really easy to retype, but this one's not. So 0.01x cubed minus 0.46x squared plus 6.3x plus 23.45. So that's the equation it gives me. So I'm going to go into my y equals. I'm going to go to my vars and down to statistics. And I'm going to go to equation, and I'm going to tell it to put that equation in, and it did. Okay, I'm going to turn this plot off because I don't need those points anymore. And then now, actually I could have shown you, I guess. Hold on here. I'll turn this back on quickly. See those points? And now you can see how well that cubic equation fits into that. See, it goes right through your points. Okay, but now I am going to go to my y equals and turn it off by pushing enter. Okay, so find the average price of gas in 1984. Okay, so beginning in 79, so 84 would be 5 years, right? Yep. So I'm going to go where x equals 5. So again, I'm going to hit trace and hit 5, enter. So $44.85. In what year was the average price of gas 56 cents per liter? Okay, so now this is a y and I want to know the x. Okay, so I can't do that. So I'm going to make a second equation for y, and I'm going to make it 56, and I'm going to graph. So now I'm trying to figure out what year that exact height was 56. So I'm going to calculate and go down to number 5, an intersection. And this does it for you. First curve, enter. Now it jumps to the second curve, enter a third time. And then you can see 16 and a half. So 16 years after 1979. So in 1995.